Hello, this is Sailor with Range Bank. I will be giving you a tutorial on how to use Range Bank's MyFinance tool. In this video, we will be covering budgeting within MyFinance. The budgeting tool allows you to set budgets for items like groceries, household supplies, going out to eat, and other items. Budgeting can help you keep better track of your finances and where you are spending your money. Now, let's create a budget within MyFinance. Once you are in MyFinance, click the Budget tab. To add a budget, click Add Budget. Then choose which tags you'd like to track and click Next. Now name your budget and set your monthly limit, then click Next. Now choose the account you'd like your budget to track from. Remember, you will need to monitor and update your transaction tags in order to best track your budget. Now click Finish, and your budget is set. You can now track your monthly budget through MyFinance. If you'd like to set up alerts to be notified about your budget, click the Budget Alert button on the Budget tab. You can select which type of alert you'd like to receive notifications for. You can also be notified if you have spent a specific percentage of a specific budget. Now set your preference for how you'd like to be notified and click Save. Your alert is set up. Thanks for watching the budgeting video. We hope you enjoy Range Bank's MyFinance tool.